Hey guys, so today we are gonna make a Nightmare Before Christmas ornament for our today's craft. What you're gonna need is a nice marker, paper, a Sharpie, a nice wooden bead, some Q-tips, and some modern clay, and definitely some scissors. So what you're gonna do is take a Q-tip and put it inside the hole of the wooden ball. Then we're gonna get the clay right here. And we're going to take amounts of different sizes and roll them up into a ball. So we're going to roll this up into a ball for the snowman base. And you gotta make sure it's like a round ball, or else it might look a little bit weird. So by the way guys, this stuff takes 72 hours to dry. It will take practically 3 days to dry by my calculating. But the next thing you're going to do is take the Sharpie marker, and you can use a reference picture if you want, but you're going to have to try to draw the face onto the top head part. Cut a little strip from 1 inch to 4 inches, and then you're going to start coloring it in with a nice green marker, or you can just use like a green piece of paper if you have one, and just cut by the 1 inch and 4 inches. So you're going to take a plastic straw, and you can use like glue, tape, or anything that's like something that can make sure this is secure. And you're going to also have to wrap it around the green strip, and then you're going to have to glue it or either tape it or whatever you want to do at the end. Here you got the nice cylinder stick. You're going to then take a cardboard and cut it into a circle and make this space shape. Then if you want to make sure that this is in the middle, you can add a black dot to help you. And then you're going to glue them together right in the center. So the next thing you want to do is that you're going to want to take a nice black Sharpie and slightly make some thin lines down the Q-tip. And if it's kind of hard, then yes, I understand, because it is also kind of hard for me. But you got to make sure that the lines do not touch each other, or else it will not look like the right arms for Jack Skellington. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to cut this into a 45 angle degree, and then rotate them so then they're pointing together to make a nice arm. So the next thing you want to do is, which I'm personally doing this, is I'm kind of bad at drawing. I used pencil marks to make these little dots, so then if I mess up, it won't be like permanent, like stayed on there forever. So then you're going to make 2 dots up here and 3 dots down here. So now, since we have everything completed, we can now take a glue gun, and you can make the X to make sure that you put the glue in the right spot. Then you put glue right here. And then you're going to take your little snowman buddy and place it just on top, just like this. So you want to take a piece of paper Okay, so I finally got done. I honestly really like the hands. It honestly took a really long time because I had to get the fingers in position, but I think it looks pretty cool. Make sure to like and comment down if you liked this craft. Make sure to subscribe. Bye! See you in the next one!